Hi, welcome back to Moose Chemistry. This is periodic table naming cation A ionic compounds lesson 1. All right, well, first of all, what are cation A elements? Well, they're elements that only have one particular charge. For example, like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. And in group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. And in group 13, aluminum. Hey, you didn't talk about hydrogen. That's because hydrogen is not a metal. And so it's not considered an ionic compound. All right, so let's go ahead and let's have some fun with this. All right, let's do on a compound. Let's start with something simple like LiF. The compound LiF. Well, lithium has a +1 charge, right? Because it is in group 1, right? Fluorine has a -1 charge because it is in group 17 and it has a -1 charge. Pretty simple, huh? Pretty cool. Let's look at another one here. Let's try another cool compound. Let's get a little bit creative here. Let's try, let's say, CaP. Well, this element is calcium, right? And it has a +2 charge because it's in group 2. And phosphorus is in group 15, so it has a -3 charge. So now, look at these oxidation numbers. They're not the same. So we're going to do something called a crisscross dance. We're going to crisscross these oxidation numbers. So this is going to be Ca3P2, which is calcium phosphide. Pretty cool, huh? Right, let's try something different. Let's try another one. Let's try one, let's say, for example, here you go, rubidium. Let's use rubidium. Rb. And we're going to use oxygen with that one, okay? So rubidium, right here, is in group 1, has a +1 charge. So we put a +1 right there. And oxygen, well, it's in group 16. Here's oxygen. And it has a -2 charge, right? So we're going to write -2 there. All the oxidation numbers are not the same, so we're going to simply crisscross them like that. So this is going to give me 2. Now, would you write a 1 down there below the oxygen? No, you don't have to. Some people do, but you don't have to do that. So this would be rubidium oxide. Wow, this stuff is pretty easy, isn't it? Yeah, it really is. Let's try another one here. Let's try one with aluminum. What do you say? Let's try aluminum. So we're going to write aluminum, which is Al, right? And let's pick one that's different. I know what. Let's pick sulfur. Okay. All right. So aluminum is in group 13. Here it is, and it has a +3 charge. Okay. And there you go. There's your 3. Sulfur is in group 16, right? Here's sulfur, and it has a -2 charge. All right. So we're gonna make this Al2S3 because remember we do the crisscross of our oxidation numbers. All right, let's try one more since we're having so much fun. Let's try, I know, strontium, Sr. Strontium, and then let's try another one with it. Let's say chlorine. All right. Strontium is in group 2, so it has a +2 charge. Let's give strontium a +2 charge. Chlorine, however, is in group 17, right? It's got a -1 charge, and there's chlorine right there. So I'm going to put a -1 there. So now, look at these oxidation numbers. They're not the same, right? So we're going to crisscross them. And then we're going to call this SrCl2. Well, that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose Chemistry.